guys, how we are doing? Today I'm going to be showing you some of the things that I use to do my eyebrow. This is one of the packets that I just ordered. It just arrived, and you see it, it's 2-in-1 and it's rechargeable. Okay, this is how it comes. It comes like, it's good to trim your eyebrow. Very handy. You can put it in your pocket and travel. It has a bag. It comes with a bag. It comes with a bag. This is the bag. This is the machine. I think this is the battery. I'm not sure. This is the USB plug or USB plug, sorry. This is the brush that you use to clean off any hair. And it's washable remover head, designed with lights, precision blade, used with no pain. You can carry it to anywhere easily. Washable. You use a USB charging. You can charge the trimmer by mobile power or your computer and USB adapter. These are what it does. These are what it does for you. For your eyebrow, for your facial hair, around your chin, your, armpits, and arm hair, and leg hair, and bikinis. You see? This is what it does for you. Okay? So you just open it like that. It's like a pen. I haven't opened it. It's a new one. I don't even know how they do it. How do they open it then? This is where the charger goes. This is the charger where you plug it to any USB ports. You put it here. Like I said before, it's very handy. This is the charger. This is where it goes. I need to learn how to open it, because it's a new one. Oh, it's open now. Look at it. Look at it. Very nice, very hard. Look, can you hear the noise? Look. You can start trimming your eyebrow without using tweezer or razor blades to pluck out your eyebrow. Look at the light on. I switch it off. You see, so I'm gonna familiarize myself with it and see what this one does. Okay, this one. I'm gonna read it has an instruction how to use it. That is the instruction book. I got to be patient and read it a little bit. Okay, guys. The other head is, this one is for like removing hair around your bikini. Removing hair around your bikini, your leg hair, arm hair, armpit hair, and facial hair. Why this one is for eyebrow. Then I got to remove this out. You see, this one is different. Why this one with a pointed something is the one you use for your eyebrow, which is good though. Very, very handy. You just on it like that. You see? Wow, I like this, So it got two teeth. This one is to remove the hair around your bikini, armpits, and legs. While you use this for your facial, like your lip top and under top, and your chin and your eyebrow. So I bought it. I think it's about 16, nearly 20 quid. Yeah, which is good. I've been buying some wrong ones that doesn't last. There was one I bought. It didn't last. I bought that one from Avon. That one didn't last. I'm gonna be showing you another one that I just ordered, just arrived. Okay, guys, this is the packet. It just arrived, right? So I'm going to open the packet and show you what is inside the packet. Can you see it? I just opened it. It's an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow, guys. It's an individual eyeshadow. No, not eyeshadow. Eyelashes. You see? Individual eyelashes. I got this one as well. I got this one. Different kind of eyelashes. You know? Can you see it? The individual one. And this one. Eyelashes. Okay? Then I got different kinds of glue to put it. You know, glue for my eyelashes. But the one that works for me mostly, that stick properly, is this one. Is this product. This one is dark. This one is got black color from this company. Then this one again is very good. Very, very good. Their eyebrow is very good. Very good eyebrow. I just showed you their eyebrow. This is another eyelashes. Sorry. Yeah, this company is very, very good as well. Very, very good. And this is their glue. Very, very good. This is a clear one. Okay, this is clear one. So sometimes I use the clear one, sometimes I use the dark one. If I use the dark one, I don't have to put a black color pencil to cover, you know, anything to show. I got this one. I got this one. And I got this the individual one, the single one. Okay. So these are the two glues that I use. Because it's eye, I try to use a very good product, not cheap one that will go and make somebody's eyes go funny. So these are the ones I use for fixing my eyelashes. You know, various kind of eyelashes I fix. I use those glue. Okay, guys. But it's just that they're a bit on the expensive side, you know, but I don't mind because it's my eye. Eye is a very sensitive part of our body. Okay, this is another glue. I haven't used this one yet. Then these are the things to fix your eyelashes, to make it easy for you. If you are like me who is struggling to fix eyeshadow, these ones are good for you. This one is to clip the eyelashes. Sorry, I keep measuring eyeshadow. This one is to clip it, then put the glue, then stick it under your eye, under your original lashes. Right? This one is for nail cutter. Sorry, this one is for when you are fixing fake false nails. This is the scissors I use to trim my eyelashes. After fixing your eyelashes, this is the one you will need to coil it down. You need this one. Okay? Then I just ordered some as well. Some bits just came, which I'm just opening now, unboxing them. Can you see them? It was ordered from Amazon. So this one is professional gadget for fixing eyelashes. These ones are for eyelashes. You see? So I'm showing you another gadget for fixing your eyelashes. Can you see this one? This one is for professionals. This one make life easy when you are fixing your eyelashes, especially if you are struggle. But when you do it every day, like somebody advised me, it's easy motivation. She's into makeuping. So when you do it every day, you become customized to it, and which is I'm experiencing it. So this is the one you use to pick it and put it in, stick it to your eye. So it got its own cover where you can cover it. This is another one as well for eyelashes fixing. You know, you pick it up, You put your glue, you stick it on top of your eye. Okay, your eyebrow, okay? Or your eyelashes, sorry, yeah. So these are all the gadgets that will make life easy for anybody who is struggling to fix eyelashes. These ones are the right gadget for it. Can you see it? You pick it up, you coil it after you fix it, put the glue. This is the one to coil it, okay, guys? And this is the scissors to trim it down if it's too long. Okay, guys? So those are the glue to fix, and that is the eyelashes, the single eyelashes, and this is another one. Can put it here so you can see it properly. You see it? So what I'm gonna do, this was the one I bought from Avon for trimming my eyebrow, but it didn't last. This one was waste of my money, I'm telling you guys. This one uses battery. This is it. It's just broken. This is where you used to, use it to do your eyebrow, this one here. Then it has a little brush that came with it, but it's all broken now. So I'm going to chuck it away since I've got a new one. Okay, and this is eyelashes clean detergent. This is, when you remove your eyelashes, this is what you use to clean it. You use this one to soak it in I got a container that I soak it with. You just tip a little. It's a foaming thing to clean your eyelashes. I don't know if you can read it. Can you see it? Can you read it? Can you see? Eyelashes clear detergent. They have special thing to clean your eyelashes. Each time you wear your eyelashes, you remove it. This is what you use. They got different make. Okay, guys? If you are ready for business, So as you can see, guys, I got various eyeliner and various eyebrow. Sometimes people are like a little bit confused. Eyebrow pencil and eyeliner pencil, what are the difference? There are no there's a little bit difference, but they does the same job. Eyebrow pencil is to modify your eyebrow, isn't it? Simply to draw your eyebrow to give it that proper shape, yeah? So eyebrow pencil and eyeliner are used to draw the eyebrows. Relatively, eyebrow pencil are more harder, while eyeliner are more softer. That is just the only difference. But the two sometimes they are not the same color, but they does the same job. Okay, guys, so don't get confused when you say, oh, I want to buy eye pencil. We call it eye pencil back in Africa, or eyebrow. That is the easiest one people understand quickly. If you don't have eyebrow pencil in a shop, you can buy eyeliner. They does the same thing. It's just that eyeliner is a bit softer, while eyebrow is a bit harder, but they are both the same, okay? So you can as well, these days they got eyebrow pen, that can also be used to replace the eyeliner, okay, guys? So these are my various eyeliner pencils, okay? This one is eyeliner pencil. I still use it for my eyebrow, okay, guys? This one is from LA Colors. This is LA Colors pencil. This is Stay Perfect Metallic number 7 eye pencil, which can be used as your eyebrow. This one also is number 7 Stay Precise Fet to eyeliner. Okay, which you can use as your eyebrow. We women, how we are crazy about buying. This is a LA eyeliner as well. Okay, this one here is the same. Oh, it's the same LA eyeliner black. Okay, while the other one is brown. This one here is Number 7, beautiful eyebrow scrubbing pencil. You see, they are all different names with different. Oh, this people is just number 7, beautiful eyebrow pencil. Can you see it? So when I want to buy eye pencil or eyebrow or eyeliner, I go for good quality ones. You know, this one is Zova. This is another good product too. They are all eyeliner. Okay, guys.